Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Google AdSense approval in 2026. So if your AdSense application keeps getting rejected or you want the best chance of approval, this guide covers the most important things you need to fix first. First, make sure your website or YouTube content has original and useful material. Copied or low-quality content is one of the biggest reasons for rejection. If you're applying with a website, create essential pages like about, contact, privacy policy, and terms of service. Your website should be clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to browse. Google wants users to have a good experience. Before applying, upload enough content to your site or channel. A nearly empty website usually won't get approved. Don't use copyrighted images, videos, or music without permission, because this can hurt your approval chances. Google also checks traffic quality, so avoid fake traffic sources or spam promotion methods. Now go to the Google AdSense website, sign in with your Google account, and submit your application. You may need to add an AdSense verification code to your website so Google can review it properly. After applying, Google reviews your content and website. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. If your application gets rejected, read the reason carefully, improve the issues, and apply again later. So that's how to get AdSense approval in 2026. Focus on quality content, clean design, and following Google's policies, and your approval chances will be much higher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.